Hello and welcome to Resident Evil 6 modding tutorial. I will specifically show you how to install these mods, the modding list that I showed you in my gameplay video, to remaster the experience and graphics of Resident Evil 6 in 2026, because it is 2026. To get started, you can either install this manually or using Fluffy Mod Manager. You'll have this list of mods in the, I think in my website or something, and now in my Patreon too. Now, okay, my cats are messing around now. To install this, let's show you Resident Evil 6 folder. So I'm gonna go to my games, this, okay, there's 3 games hard, right, but I'm gonna use this one, unmodded, totally new. Now I'm going to drag this here, this time I'm doing it quite slowly because a lot of time you complain that I'm too fast, so just wait. My cats are annoying me, so I'm just gonna have to feed these monsters. I was gonna say something else, but I don't want to lose my monetization right now. We have the game, a fresh, new installed game, and we got the mods. There's 2 ways. One is by Fluffy. I'm gonna show you this because this is quite quick, and it works if you have like a very official paid version of the game, latest version of the game, but in other way you have to install it manually if it doesn't work. Now I'm going to show you how to use Fluffy. So you're going to right click here, made a Fluffy folder. Oh my, okay, I have it. Anyway, I'm just going to go in there, I'm going to drag everything. See, now so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this. I'm going to look for Resident Evil 6 and I'm going to choose game folder. You can choose executable or install folder. I'm going to choose games executable, and I'm going to choose bh6.exe. After that, you're going to, let's go to mods list. Let's refresh, and we have nothing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to data. Wasn't it? Yeah, it's going to be game folder RE6, and I'm going to go to mods folder. Here I'm going to drag all the mods like this. And now I'm going to press refresh, and let's wait, because let's see, 26.3 gigabyte, that's a lot of mods, right? This is like Skyrim level of many mods. Not many, but these 2 are very huge. Now I did tell you that there's 2 types of texture mod, either this or this. This is big, but it doesn't mess up with the game models. On the other hand, on RE6 HD, on the other hand, this one kind of messes up with the character. In this case, you will have to install character mods like Elena and LeonHDTextures and mods like that. Now, I'm just going to show you the process with this. It's the same with this one, exactly the same. So you just either copy this or this one in this folder. So now I have all the mods. I'm going to click on all the mods, and here we go. So what you're going to do is you're just going to check these one by one, and they will be installed, and then you can manually you need to manually launch the game. That's what I recommend. So you can manually launch the game from here or Steam. Now, let's just say this method doesn't work. Fluffy is, well, it's not bad, but it can be problematic at times. In that case, you likely go here and you'll open each of these. Firstly, you drag this one inside. You have the native, just drag it here and replace everything. After that, drag this one, and then after that you have these mods. You will do the same thing with all of them. You have this native folder and drag this. You don't need modding for the INI. Just drag everything for all of this. Now, after you have copied all of these mods, lastly you will use this config, this Reshade shader config, as well as configuration for the game. And once you double click on this, you're going to go next. You're going to select the game folder, press install, and yeah, we're done. So now you can literally double click the game and enjoy the gameplay. I mean, enjoy playing the game. Thank you very much, and subscribe.